Yyharness is a reputable company that specializes in providing high-quality harnesses for connecting LED lighting. They offer a comprehensive range of services, including wire assembly, cutting, stripping, crimping, and soldering. During the crimping procedure, Yyharness ensures that the harness is securely joined, and they conduct a final quality check before the LED lighting is switched on. Yyharness's LED lighting harnesses are designed to meet the needs of various applications in residential, commercial, and industrial settings. These harnesses are widely used in architectural lighting to enhance the visual appeal of buildings, accent lighting to highlight specific areas or objects, signage to create eye-catching displays, automotive lighting for both interior and exterior illumination, and retail displays where efficient and flexible lighting solutions are required. An LED lighting harness, also known as an LED light strip or LED strip light, consists of a flexible circuit board populated with light-emitting diodes that produce illumination. The harness is typically enclosed in a protective casing, ensuring durability and protection for the LED lights. This design allows for easy installation in a variety of applications. To ensure the highest quality, Yyharness follows a meticulous assembly process. Their skilled technicians expertly assemble the wires in a variety of ways, including cutting, stripping, crimping, and soldering. This attention to detail guarantees that the harnesses are properly constructed and ready for use. Yyharness understands the importance of flexibility when it comes to LED lighting solutions. Quality policy. We at Yyharness is committed for manufacturing of wiring harness and fulfill applicable requirements and deliver it to customer on time with minimum error. We will do this through continually improving our quality management system.